All right, let's get you more on this story. Health Minister Rajesh Tope's exclusive conversation with India Today's Rajdeep Sardesai over the COVID crisis in the state of Maharashtra. Take a look.
Your state, sir, our state is accounting for 60% of the cases. Do you concede that we could be heading for a second wave in the state? Do you fear we could actually now return to a situation similar to last year, given this spike in cases across Maharashtra?
One thing is very clear, as the numbers are increasing, it is a matter of concern, not a second wave exactly, but yes, the numbers are increasing, and I am quite confident that we will be able to reduce it in further some a month, but by all ways, like we are continuously
Sir, but the question will be asked, has something gone wrong in Maharashtra? 60% of India's cases coming from one state. Mumbai is seeing over 1,000 cases daily. Pune seeing a surge. Nagpur now under lockdown. Has something gone wrong with your containment strategy, Mr. Minister?
I think whatever the ICMR guidelines are there and whatever are the central government or central team's suggestions to government of Maharashtra, we are exactly adhering to whatever they say. We are on 3T principle, tracking, tracing, testing, and we are continuously adhering to the COVID appropriate behavior as well. And we are very transparent, Rajdeep. One thing is very clear, that everything is very transparent. All the active cases are on the portal, or the death rates, all the whatever deaths are being noted are also on the portal. Nothing is being hidden, and all the data is very clear. Every report is going on to the portal. So RT-PCR, one of the testings, we are doing more than 75% of the tests are RT-PCR.
Sir, I am not doubting that you are doing your best in terms of tracking, testing in Maharashtra at the moment. But the fact is, the Union Health Secretary Rajesh Bhushan wrote to the Maharashtra Chief Secretary last week saying that Maharashtra is at the beginning of a second wave of the COVID-19 pandemic. Efforts to track, test, isolate cases and quarantine contacts are limited, with no adherence to COVID-19 appropriate behavior among people both in rural and urban areas. So the government center is not convinced at the moment with Maharashtra's efforts. How do you respond?
No, one thing is very clear. You see, we have opened up everything. You cannot compare Mumbai, Pune to rest of the country's metro cities, because this is a financial hub of our country and international city. So lot many passengers, they come up, and so naturally the numbers might be more. But if one thing is very clear, suppose the fine collection in masks in Mumbai is for the more than 20 lakhs and 50,000 has been fined for not wearing mask, and a tune of 42 crores has been collected as a fine form or as a penalty from just Mumbai, more than 10 crores from Pune. So our total administrative section administration is on toes for adhering to the COVID appropriate behavior.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.